So this is the first job opening that we have, which is for the security analyst and pen testers. So this is for analyzing web mobile application vulnerabilities, and mail ID is sweta.lekhranjani@roberthalf.jp, right? If you're not from Japan, like it's a Japanese company. If you're not from Japan, not an issue. Visa will be sponsored. If you have knowledge, drop your resume accordingly. You'll get selected. Now, next one is enterprise security architecture, which is remote Indian-based job. What exactly you need to do? You need to advise on cloud platform like NIST, GDPR, PCI DSS, and all. Design, implement enterprise security architectures, deploy all those CDR, and basically it's a kind of SOC type of job, right? And bit of GRC, right? So your name, drop your resume on the careers at rate optimus.ai, and in the subject line just write public. Your names comes here, right? Now next one is Red Fox Sex. Red Fox Sec is looking for red teamers, and AppSec, which is 1 to 3 years of experience is required, right? And this is on-site Mumbai-based job. So probably you're from Mumbai, then you will get selected. Next one is Sarg Striker is looking for security analyst. Freshers can apply for this job role. It's Ahmedabad, Gujarat based job. HR@sargstriker.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? Now, the next one is Talk Byte, right? They are hiring for development training. ये knowledge है development का. I'm not going to tell much, but इस पे you can apply, and from just subject line is write down training developer. Now next one is Abia Technologies is hiring for network engineer full time Bangalore, पुणे, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद जॉब. भाई एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी ज़्यादा है तो देख लो कोई हो तो. मेल आई डी ये जस्ट ड्रॉप योर रिज्यूम. SCL Tech is hiring for network administration. Again, 8+ years of experience. Oh my god. Next one is L1 and L2. It's a kind of EDR. Okay, EDR based job, L1 and L2. Mumbai, Kanpur, Delhi, 7 to 9 LPA, and experience will be 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Okay, now next one is vulnerability assessment, pen testing, VAPT. 2 to 3 years of experience required. Budget around 7 LPA. This is mail ID karuna@vistaspace vistapace.com. hr.vistapace@gmail.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Next one is PKI and cryptocurrency engineer. They will pay you around 50 LPA. Okay, and this is the contact number on which you can ask if you have any questions, and this is the mail ID. If you have anything, you can ask it. WhatsApp message कर लेना यार, कॉल कुल मत करना, so that let's see how you get here. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind. If you have any questions, please ask.